Awase magega y'abawaziri ko unenkiwa litko lya rero nigo baba gutianwa bene ryo chaka obokoreri go cyase abananchi murobero yo nigo korekana se nyumba y'uburayi ya State House imeyo mu cyo Nairobi awase umurayi wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abaga kwenekia ogotianwa kwa bawaziri abo nigo boigo Ruto abaga kubaboria kwenekia bunanko ikirane bare obokoreri borobu yago cyase abananchi yo munanda mange nigo twarganire no muri Keitonde Stephen
Oyomo asoyomo nigaba waziri emirongevere na bane barase serikali ya William Ruto nigo baunenki gune kamati ya bunge na umwelio ya malietonsi guetigwa omo waziri penaina malonza karoyo bwa mweli guetigwa. Sama gacho a State House nigo murai bwense William Ruto abakero lya sogotiani gukwabo no guchaka bene kwobo koreri ase chinse mochiri batenenerete.
I, Ezekiel Machogombaki, being appointed the Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold this Constitution of Kenya,
serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Prime Cabinet Secretary,
and that I will perform my functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Ense moya ya Ruto ni gachengero gotiani gukwabo na kurue irabune serikali ya ene babwatisike boikiranu goikiranie meroberi rabe ase wizara ao.
Again, to all of you and your families, congratulations. Pongezi. Pongezi sana. To assure you that in the discharge of your duties in the various ministries that you will be serving, you will have my wholesome support. You will have my support because you have no option other than to succeed. Failure is not an option, good people. We have a country to look after. We have a plan to implement. And we have the people of Kenya watching us. So
senkwane ayenyenge William Ruto ni garuege kurege tindi asaba waziri bunansa chogo timokanchi yo goikaba Kenya banyorire obokoreri obuya.
You have also sworn to serve the people. I didn't hear any one of you swear to serve their friends or their families or their regions or their religions. Each one of us here have sworn to serve the people of Kenya. That is the minimum expected of all of us.
Nigo bonega siacha kirevena saba waziri kweneke serikali ya Ruto ya ikere irichira ya etaba Kenya.
I am a very proud Kenyan this morning that now I have a team. Now we have a team, and your celebrations will be very short-lived because I think you will be leaving your offices late. So the spouses kidogo mtatuvumilia. Hawa watu pengine itabidi walale ofisini for the next couple of months until we have our plan in place.
Congratulating the cabinet. We'll have a brief photo session with all.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV, Elietariane, Ndemo Stephen.